In this video, I will show you how to get any TikTok username. First things first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now click on profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen and this will take you to your profile page. Now what you have to do is click on edit profile button and you will land on screen like this. Now look for the username field. Here you can see this. Now remove the existing username and enter the new one and check if it's available. And if it is available, that's great. You can change your username right away. So you can choose the username that is unique, and if the one you want is taken, you can try adding underscores, numbers, or slight variations. And once you're done, click on Save button in the top right corner and then click on Set Username to confirm your choice. But remember, TikTok allows users to change their username once every 30 days. So if you change it and decide you want a different one, you will have to wait a month. And once you have secured the username, make sure to keep your account active by posting regularly and updating your profile. This helps ensure TikTok does not release your username due to inactivity.